My name's David Board with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here at 1320 Farm Street in the historical city of Bastrop, Texas. This home recently went on the market, and if you're looking for a piece of history, this is the place you need to buy. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, approximately 1,849 square foot, and it sits on just a little bit more than an acre. We're also located real close, walking distance to almost all the amenities in Bastrop. You got City Hall that's a block away. You got the Performing Arts Center that's a block away. You got the Bastrop Farmers Market that's every weekend here in Bastrop that's just a block away. And then you also have the beautiful historical downtown area with all the boutique shops and restaurants you can ever imagine. So if you're looking for a place, this is the place. There are so many things about this very special historic home that I really want to show y'all. So y'all come on in, follow me. Let me tell you a little bit about this little beautiful piece of Texas history. This here, we're standing in the kitchen. Now this home was completely restored in 2018, all the way from the insulation to the electrical to the plumbing and to the appliances. In the kitchen, you have this open floor plan. You've got the quartz countertops, quartz backsplash. You got the KitchenAid appliances. And let me tell you about the floors. These floors are the original wood floors of this home. And then as we walk in here, we come in here to the primary bedroom. Double pane windows in here as well. And if we come into the bathroom area, you'll see the double vanity and the walk-in quartz shower. As we walk down this extra wide hallway, the grand hallway with the high ceilings, we come into the second bedroom. Again with the wood floors, the beadboard ceiling, crown molding throughout the entire home. Over here off to my right is the bunk room. These are 4 bunk beds that are built in, but they can come out if somebody wanted to turn this into maybe an office or a large butler pantry. That would certainly work as well. You come in here to the gorgeous bathroom. Again, we have the double vanities, quartz countertops, and the large quartz walk-in shower. And in here, this is the utility room. Has washer and dryer and built-in shelves, hot water heater, and recessed lights. So the fence on the outside of the property, the privacy fence, is all of the old historical roof in this house that was repurposed for a privacy fence. All right, well, I want to thank you for joining us on this tour, and if you're interested in a preview of this home, feel free to call me. Give me a call, send me a text. My number's 512-629-6107. That's 512-629-6107. Thank you very much.